This microwave Cantonese sausage rice recipe takes just 25 minutes to prepare and serves 2 to 3 people. Enjoy a comforting, flavorful one-bowl meal featuring tender jasmine rice infused with sweet and savory Cheong Chinese sausage, fresh baby bok choy, and a rich soy oyster sauce that captures all the beloved claypot flavors, made incredibly easy in your microwave. Bursting with umami, fragrant ginger, and a touch of sesame, this dish is perfect for busy weeknights when you crave something both quick and deeply satisfying. Let's now check the ingredients. 1 cup jasmine rice, uncooked. 1 1/3 cups water. 1 to 2 links, Cheong Chinese sausage, thinly sliced on the bias. 2 small heads baby bok choy, quartered, or 2 cups chopped Asian greens. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, optional for color. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, optional. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, finely grated. 1 small garlic clove, minced, optional. Pinch of sugar. 2 scallions, thinly sliced. Pinch of white pepper. Chili oil for serving, optional. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse 1 cup jasmine rice in a fine sieve under cold water, swishing until the water runs mostly clear. Drain very well for 1 minute. In a large microwave-safe bowl, at least 2.5 quart/2.5 liter, combine the drained rice and 1 1/3 cups water. Level the surface and cover with a vented microwave lid or a plate set slightly ajar. Microwave on high for 6 minutes, then let stand for 2 minutes to settle the bubbles. Meanwhile, thinly slice 1 to 2 Cheong. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon light soy, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy, optional, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, a pinch of sugar, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, and the minced garlic, optional. Slice the scallions. Carefully uncover. Watch the steam. Fan the sausage slices in a single layer over the half-cooked rice. Sprinkle over 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine if using. Recover. Microwave on high for 5 to 6 minutes more until the rice is tender and the water is absorbed. If your microwave is weaker, add 30 to 60 seconds more as needed. Arrange the baby bok choy on top, recover, and microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes until bright green and tender crisp. Let rest, covered, for 5 minutes to finish steaming. Fluff the rice with chopsticks or a fork, gently folding in the rendered sausage fat. Drizzle the prepared sauce over the rice and toss lightly to coat. Sprinkle with scallions and a pinch of white pepper. Taste and adjust with a splash more soy or a little chili oil if you like. Serve hot as a one-bowl meal, making sure each portion gets sausage and greens. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.